Are you subscribed to several newsletters and tired of them piling up in your inbox? Or perhaps you have several emails that you'd rather not show up in your main inbox. In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Outlook to move these messages automatically and streamline your email management to keep your inbox clutter-free. The first thing that I want to do is I want to create a folder. I'm going to right-click on my inbox, click on New Folder. For our example, I'm just going to type in Newsletter. I'm going to find in my inbox a specific message from that individual, that company, and I'm going to select it. Then on my Home tab, I'm going to go to the rules. Create a rule based on the sender, recipients, or conversation topic of this message to always move mail to a different folder. So I'm going to click on Rules and click on Create Rule. Now here, I'm going to either specify from or this help desk, or I could just type in maybe newsletter. In this case, I'm just going to say from the help desk, and then I'm going to say I want to move it. So when I get this message, when it satisfies this condition from the help desk, then what I want to do is I want to do the following. In this case, I want to move the item to a specific folder. I'm going to click on Select Folder, and I'm just going to choose Newsletters. Click OK, and OK. Now what it does is it says the rule, Brenda Help, has been created. I could run this rule on messages already in my current folder if I want. Quite often I'll do that. So I'm going to just check that, click OK. Now when I go to the Newsletters folder, my email's automatically there. Now you'll notice another email was received from the help desk. It's not in my inbox. If I go to Newsletters, the main newsletter is now there. Rules automatically move any messages that you receive based on the criteria you specified into the specific folder. Now while we're here, I just want to look at some of the advanced features. If I go to Rules and create rule, let's just click on Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options, there's a wizard that you can go through. Step 1, you set up the condition. You can choose a number of different options. So I'm going to just say from Brenda here, click Next. And what you can do here is then you can say, okay, I want to move it to the newsletter folder. And you'll notice as I specify, it lists it down below. You can actually specify an exception. Except if it was a specific person, except if it was marked importance, except if it was flagged for action, except with specific words. You can choose a number of different options. Choose Next. Then you can go to run this or just turn this rule on. I'm just going to cancel this because we already specified the rule. However, take your time and go through the rules wizard and you can see a number of different options in order to automate your inbox based on automatically moving your messages. This can save you absolutely hours. You're getting Outlook to do the work for you. Once you set it up, Microsoft Outlook does all the work. Take the time to set up rules in Microsoft Outlook in order to streamline and manage your email messages. Let me know what you think of this feature.